disappointed sound boy, calling in the dancehall. A disappointed sound boy who has no double plates at all.
That's how we reach. We call no ice cream zone. Bring 16 bass box and make it just mash up the place. A little housekeeping. Certain entrance of a stay open because in case of an emergency. See? So when me tell a man to move your vehicle and don't block this one and don't disrespect or anything like that. You see that so? And that's of emergency because anybody can drop down and paramedics can't come see you know. So we have to keep them thing there open, alright? Anyway, at 15 minutes, you know, then we are going to just go some uptown, downtown, round, so up, so down, so but we don't talk about the thing. Pure vibes, take a 15.
Yes, Betty, big up yourself. The young lady over there, so I tell her something I'm feeling too good earlier. And trust me, I don't remember how it's spelled, but you see the CPR thing? The CPR thing? When we play the first song, I remember faint and I want some little CPR. If you don't mind. Alright. She might be damn gone. But Whitney, talk to me. Talk to me, Whitney. Big up Mr. Austin. Hold it. All nurses in the house. Go right, that's all. That's all, go get a drink. All nurses, 24 audio. Go on there and tell them so Mr. Lexus send you. All nurses. Whether you're a night nurse or you're emergency nurse or you're a hardcore hospital nurse, go there so go get a drink. And ladies, we are treat. Thank you. But you introduce things and you send them to the right place. All nurses, we needed you over the DJ booth so you can get this special drink. Drop the song again.
You chip out the breaker, yo. Pure vibe. A CVR, you have a blood clot go easy. It no matter. CVR take all the power. It don't make no difference. A CVR, you need all the power to play them. What kind of breaker is different? Probably a 60 amp breaker that can't play so much CVR. 60 amp breaker can't play so much CVR. I go to your breaker chip. Check your breaker. I know your breaker chip. The breaker don't mess up. You're good man. This is automatic. This where was it then?
Second time in life.
Yes, you know. Yeah, but hear me. They say no, the amp them. They say CVR. Them amp they play with. No.
Second time you put up a park.
I mean no different. I tell you a CVR we use. They need one for power.
Put it on the line. One more burn up again. One more generator burn up.
Not my generator now burn up, but a big 100K generator, but she want me to depend on breaker. The last time I come out and I have to go straight. You remember? Yeah. Let me show you. You see, the last time I out and I have to go straight to the generator. You can't play out of the 60 amp thing with the CVR and take all the power.
And you know somebody daily want to give beer wire. Me almost did one game that.
The CVR them. My CVR I use for ABS and my whole rock a CVR for ABS. You need more power than that. You know, see, as soon as you got the baseline, you got See, man, the same problem with me.
What else? Give me the white rum. Where the white rum? Give me the box of the white rum. Give me the white rum. We don't know what I'm going. What off? I love vibes used to be out here. Love vibes are there. So it goes to our work. He goes to our work. Asha baka. Asha. Asha. Asha baka. Kabaka. Kabasha. 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 Love Vibes Duppy are working go to St. Thomas. Love Vibes go to St. Thomas. I used to be out there, I know there are no more. Anyway, we good again. Get it. Alright. Now, we play Whitney Houston, God bless her soul. And Whitney Houston, Trip the Breaker. So, we learn. We respect the dead. So, we're going to play another dead right now. With no further delay, press play for me.
Love and hate can never be fair. So no.
What we ever tell them now?
Oh no.
Take time with the bass right now. Just crack it, lick it.
Surely goodness and mercy shall follow all the days of our life. Envy no one, no wish to be with no evil man.
Let me see the glass there, lady. What are they? Keep your glass. Pick up yourself. Young lady, be mind my rich. But you see any money me have, I will give it to you. So you see the next song they're going to play, dedicated to me and you right now. Oh, yeah. Can I tell you this?
Money in my pocket, but I just can't get no love.
Wow, select it one more time. You know something? We love the nurse them. And as soon as you don't play this mega faint, I want some CPR, if you don't mind. Anyway, in the meantime. Oh, yeah. Can I tell you this?
Money in my pocket, but I just can't get no love.
All the mothers.
Money in my pocket, but I just can't get no love. I'm praying for a girl to be my home. So listen, she got me She said,
Earlier.
Cause she ran away and left.
Earlier when the forward.
Wondering.
Me the feel like a pain.
She made
And from look at some pretty lady.
that her love would never
All we can say, they're gonna make the music talk for me. Play the song for me. Can I tell you this? Ratchet, Mr. Stagger. One more drink for me. In the meantime, Mr. Bogo, pick up yourself.
Try your best to make it quick. Woman, take the same.
They play like Jamaica sound.
Something she
No foreign sound around here.
this heart is
Majesty, know where yourself. Later on, madness in your son. All the nurses, pick up on yourself. Happy Mother's Day.
it's a case of emergency. There's a picture
If you don't know this song, I want to sing it out for me. Tell me how we go. Shadow. In the meantime, I tell you, I love you now. I love you now. Like cook food. I know everything raw me eat. But I love you like cook food. In the meantime. Big up Secrets in the building. Big up the leader with us.
Into stop emergency. Rita, everything you say, I love you. Nurse. Anyway, you know, because I love the day they happen Mother's Day, don't know. If you don't get no flowers, talk to me later. I'm gonna make sure some flowers come at your door tomorrow. Guaranteed. Anyway, let me. She loves me now. Can I tell you?
She loves me now. Whoa, she loves me.
Can I say something?
And I sing glory, glory, hallelujah. Like the faith and son, the Father. A long time I'm on. She loves me now.
Rita!
Whoa,
She loves me now.
she loves me now. Whoa, she loves me now. After me talk to the mother and the father, send double letters with the brothers and sisters. Them a talk how I can get the daughter. See them now and I can get them.
She loves me now.
She loves me now.
Yellow, now what you say?
She loves me now.
We take one the room for you tonight.
She loves me now.
Let's just pick up yourself.
Isn't she lovely?
Rita!
Isn't she wonderful? Isn't she precious?
In a minute,
Less than 1 minute old. I never thought she'd ever be making all as lovely as she. But isn't she lovely? Lord, isn't she pretty? The angels with
Easy because of
so wild.
we're not going to chip the break again. We're going to hold it back until later on. Later on, everything about your death.
Sure, she has given life to one, but isn't she lovely?
Easy, my baby.
Love.
Can I call you that?
Ding-ding-ding, 981. Isn't she lovely? I can't believe what Jah has done to us. He has given us
I was flat out in physical attraction.
Right now!
To my satisfaction.
Easy, Major.
Baby, you're more than
Young lady, let me see some rocking on the ear. One more time from the top. Little bit, Chad. You see over there, so I don't care about nobody else on the park. You see them two ladies over there, so I just fall in love with them. Let me tell you this now. Can I say something like this? Ladies, trust me. You see, if they have the power, everything we are wait up right now. But we are waiting later on. In the meantime, from the top. You see, if you have your man and you love him, let's do something like this.
Hold on to what you got. Hold on to what you got. Hold on to what you got.
Let's just start to me now because the thief. Thief some more minutes.
If you can't say, now the peace is done. If you don't know, you're on your way. If you can't say, on your journey.
It's a 10 more minutes. 10 to what you got. And a big time. The best lady from yard. Let me tell you something. Beat me with the rap. What are there? You have to forward for the table. Young lady. But when you see you, put you on the table. Because I love you like cooked food. Because we don't eat the raw food around here. From the chop right now. Don't talk to him till later. Don't talk to him till later.
I shall see as long as I live.
Get up!
As long as I live.
What?
I shall see. I shall see. As long as I live.
Can I tell you something?
As long as I live.
You're ready. Because I love you.
Light up flag, hear me now.
Hey!
Stop bullshit.
Let me tell you this.
Don't respect, disrespect. In my space, I wanna know.
Hold on there. Don't play no more next song. You see later on we'll forward. All the tech done.
Yeah.
We just a warm up right now. You see
Yeah.
that thing here with me a drink? Give me energy.
Yeah.
Energy drink this. Just so you know.
If
You're not getting no more. You're not getting no more.
How about two of the people him? He must say, where my drink? Where my yam? Look on the can. You see my yam? You see my yam? You see my yam? You see my yam right here? I didn't see my yam and I drink it. But I drink it. I blame you, I can't come here. Boy, to book trunk. Anyway, I'll pick up my brother DJ right close in the house. Pick up all the beautiful ladies them. Yeah. Again. All the mothers in the house. Let me see on the hand right now. All the mothers. Mothers, you see that tent there, so? But go down there. Man, take on a lady down on that tent there. Drop a little donation in the box. Drink free. Right there, so. Right there, so. Any type of liquor you don't want. If you don't care, don't come here. It is right there. You see the next song? If you don't just forward, we don't miss Yard Vibes. We play good. We don't miss Majesty. We might play wicked. You don't see a Pure Vibes in drunk. Now we are going to go to another sound. Where? At the first sound coming at the park this morning. 3:30 in the park. Yellow. Police pull up on him and say, young man, this is not a rest stop. You need to continue. Yellow say, I'm playing in the park. Police say, but you start at 10 o'clock. Why are you here at 3 o'clock? The police say, do you know people died in here? People get killed? He said, yeah, I'm coming here to kill some people today. So, Yellow, show the people when you tell the police, because it's been recorded. Play some song, 15 minutes.
Music so sweet for your dancing feet. Yeah. There is a sound that's going around. Surely come to lift you off the ground.
Yeah.
So you've got to tune into the sound. Make me smile, roll on the ground. Follow this sound. Music so sweet for your dancing feet. Yeah. There is a sound that's going around. Surely come to lift you off the ground. So you've got to tune into the sound. Make me smile, roll on the ground. Follow this your sound. This is the sound that is going around. Follow this your sound. Make me smile, roll on the ground. Music. With music. Oh, yo. Oh, yo, yo, yo. Oh, yeah. We all gonna sing the same song. Oh, yo. Oh, yo, yo, yo. Oh, yeah. We all gonna sing the same song. We all gonna chat the same time, yeah. We all gonna sing the same song. Oh, whether you're a bubba, or whether you're an orthodox, or whether you're a Ingilatican, or whether you're a 12 tribe of Israel, we all gonna sing the same song, yeah. We all gonna jam the same jam. We all gonna chat the same chat, yeah. So if you argue, fuss and fight, you're giving the hypocrites the right to say that we can't unite. Oh Lord, we did not fight, yeah. We all gonna sing the same song, yeah. We all gonna chat the same chat, jam.
This one's straight to a guy bum and head, red and dread. One commentary that I rejected about I want to culturally. No one I can empty until say you're done with me. It's a rude boy, a shuffling. This one's straight to a guy, buck and head, red and dread. One commentary that I rejected about I want to culturally. No one I can empty until say you're done with me. It's a rude boy, a shuffling. Yeah, that's rude boy, shuffling. Back where with your mumbling, yeah. Say, rude boys can't bring you
And if you wreck the scale and sound like this, you know, hook up good, yeah?
Still they are still they are. Oh my God, I can say my dead. It makes pain straight to my heart. Still I can travel around. Still I can scratch a word. I don't know just why mankind turned their back from the Creator. I want to take that bow. I'll never break my vow. If a man go read on the right, brutality is a crime. We are go read on the right, take everything on our mind. We are go read on the right. Murder, slavery is a crime. We are go read on the right. And the wrong people are doing the time. Never come up on no pinto. The Nina, the Santa Maria. Instead we come here pack up like sardine. Time from hunger, the fever malaria. We are go read out we rise. Oh, now look at that, it's a crime. We are go read without we rights. Them a piece of we mind. That you got my love. What you gonna do with me? Now that you got a little part of me, are you gonna love me? You were a heartbeat when we met. What else could I do but play hard to get? You wouldn't take no for an answer. Kept on trying. You got the prize, boy. What you gonna do now? What you? I know we can do better. This ain't all we can do. No, I'm sure we can live together. Build a world of peace and truth. What you want me to do, woman? Say the word for you. No can do.
Remember, I build you up when we see you did a broke down. Know your eye gonna up with another brother up down. But just you tell me up, you go see how all them are. Friends for real, we love our cat. But some of them no liar. Them no normal. Remember, I build you up when we see you did a broke down. Know your eye gonna up with another brother up down. But just tell me up, you go see how I look down. You might go see the house when you leave her in a touchdown. Talk about love, talk about joy, talk about forever, baby. Talk about us, keep in my word. Talk about love, talk about joy, talk about forever, baby. Talk about us, keep in my word. Stick to my good heart. Even when I say, baby, that's because you don't understand. The full intent of my plan, baby, I wanna be the sole provider. Yes, baby, let me give you some love and affection. You got my attention. You mean no direction. Make up more blessings in your direction. You got my attention. What an impression.
The Lord is my light and my salvation. shall I fear, Lord? When the wicked then come up and I to eat up our flesh, then they stumble down and fell. Cause why? They bust out the hell, we break them spell. Rasta know that time will tell. We bust out the hell, we break them spell. Rasta know that time will tell. Oh, time will tell. Lord, I run through the city like I don't ever fall. This bad man make gangsta name call. And you look tomorrow, they can rip on the wall. Oh, them is such a thin mouth man. Oh, Lord, I come right to where we have black style. Like two things, they run too wild. Then try to back around the back like a ball. Like man, them back down. Them start war, I believe it would have done it now. 20 ammunition not done. This man, the guys that church and done.
Batman no left them machine too far. Batman no left them machine too far. Yo, Batman no left them machine too far. You have to ready when the enemy ready for war. Police around the marathon and go to run. And the chance on the base and come to run. All them feeling the competition when them feel them nothing. Now the legs up the whip and all the agent like say this a point of this. Why they go to run it? It end the town.
This is I didn't yeah. I just found them a follower. Come on! If you fun, we are the cooler, yeah. Oh, we make it, but we power. Someone you should know, yeah.
I started a joke, but the whole world laughed at me. That the joke was on me. I started to cry, but the whole world laughed at me. That the joke was on me.
If I had my way, I'd make your day sweeter than the one before. I'd give you love, spread your arms with joy. Sadness will be no more. And when the night falls, your emotion goes. That's the one I'll be there. Don't need to make sure we don't need her. Oh, but I have you in share. Right there, baby. Don't have to run no more. In the hills, turning from Monday to Friday. And at the end of the week, I got to listen to good music play. Lord God, me and me virgin my king, take a little stroll in the dance hall, watching the African queens having themselves a ball. Oh gosh, I'm big you so tired, but I'm still gonna love you tonight. Yes, I'm tired, but I'm still gonna love you tonight. Yes, you've been. Yes, I'm tired. Yes, I'm tired, but I'm still gonna love you tonight. Yes, you've been waiting, so I'm gonna love you all night. Yes, though I'm weak, I'm still gonna give you love, still gonna make you feel. I'm your love doctor, call me anytime you need me, baby. I know you like it like this, when I kiss you on the lips. I'm your love doctor.
anytime you need me, baby. Girl, just call me anytime when you're ready for the bump and grind.
We must up the place, turn up the bass and make them all have fun. How we blaze the fire, make it burn them. We must up the place, turn up the bass and make some sound. Boy, run. And we will end your week just like a Sunday. We must up the place, turn up the bass and make them all have fun. Blaze the fire, make it burn them. We must up the place, turn up the bass and make some sound. Boy, run. And we will end your week just like a Sunday. You them falling on, you them falling on. The youth them falling out. The youth them falling out. Now justice are where the youth them need overall. The way them deal with mankind and my girl start ball. Now justice are where the youth them need overall. Listen me, hey yo,
Once ago.
Wife in a guy in a three-piece suit. No pretty boy in a Chris Nike boot. She no ball in a doctor, she no cry in a dope. She shadows lonely tears for the little ghetto youth that balling starving. Excuse to clean up. Foot might be dirty, but his heart is much cleaner than those batty boy we're fighting down Sensimina. And I'm thinking how it was always you and me. We used to stroll along the path, holding hands together. Oh, it was so more sensible.
Yeah. Big up all of the sound man over there. Yeah, big up Magnet Force, Magnet Audio, Magnet Force 24. Number to call 786-459-9454. Big up all of the sound man them there. But most of all, least we forget is Mother's Day. Oh yeah, big up all of the ladies them. You know me I say? Now be able to say right. Wanna come check that one day out. First on the promotion. See? Also, June the 7th, place to be, Riviera Beach, 7 Bad Sound. Yeah, tell you 16 days, the same settings. See the flyer there? Grab a flyer called No Ice Cream Sound. Yeah, and also remember, Lady Rosie, birthday, the 25th of this month, ballroom. Yeah, Plantation. So make it a date and don't be late. Right now, but they plan to go half an hour. But the way the energy is, but just go to 15 minutes. And pure players, behave yourself. Yeah, tell people, say put garbage in anything you have. We don't do that. Alright? So anyway, Check-in studio, 15 minutes. Father Dust, you just arrived, big up yourself, ever never. The Sequence family, Hot Stepper family. Big up on yourself, DJ Ruthless. Remember, it's all about the ladies today. Plus we have some gangster ladies in the place, you know. They like the hardcore thing too, you know. But remember, it's all about the ladies. You see, when you make the lady come first, everything else is good. Remember me tell you that. So talk about love, Mother's Day. And yes, so we there. Yeah, I say, DJ Radcliffe, big up yourself. I have some ticket I go give you later. Yeah. DJ Lennox, big up yourself. The 23rd, and me, Ballroom Plantation, Lady Rosie thing. So in the meantime, between time, back in studio, take your 15 minutes.
I have a big show here, sir. Yeah. It's not bigger than a bad day. What is up here? Yeah. Them depend on them, we stop it, you know. But I'm going like, you know. I'm going like, I think you're so. I want my big son. That's not no shit.
Never should have gone away and left you like I did, girl. I thought you'd take me back, but I was just a little bit late. I was gonna win. I know I am, yes I am. Oh, yeah. I was gonna win. My lonely days and my lonely nights, girl. On the outside looking in, dreaming of holding you tight. Well, I guess I've had my day. You let me go my way. It's me who has to pay. A loser they call me, but now I'm a winner. Yes I am, yes I am. I was gonna win. Loving all the time. Whoa, whoa, well. I'm not in a position to maintain you the way that you're accustomed to. Can't take you out to fancy places like other fellas that I know can do. I'm only able to romance you and make you tingle alive. Financially, I'm a pauper, but when it comes to loving, I'm alright. Don't show me what your friends are wearing.
Yo, shut it, hold it.
I really don't want to.
Tie up them box there. See your box just a drop. Make sure you strap them, Bridget. Please. Because we don't want no casualty and we don't want no liability, Bridget. So make sure you strap the box.
Don't tell me what your friends are buying, 'cause money doesn't grow on trees. Tell me about the things that excite you and make you tingle alive. Tell me where to hold and touch you, so when it comes to loving, I'm alright. You know there are things I can't buy you, girl, or drive you in a big fancy car. If you're hungry, girl, I can feed you, but with my money, girl, you won't get far. I've got so many buttons on my clothes, girl. I'm holding the bottom of my shoe, but if you perhaps for love to love straight, then you got to tell me, girl, 'cause I'm alright. Hushed up, I'm a big deal. I'm a big deal. You're my friend, I'm a big deal. Yeah, we're kinda important. For real. Oh yeah, I'm a big deal. And my friends are some big deals. Very, very, very important. For real. This has nothing to do with money or fame or vanity. This one is all about self-worth. So big up your chest and stand proud and don't matter about nobody. No man no more than no man on this earth. So whether you walk or you a drive car, a type you white or black like tar, no feel good in yourself, you're a star. Push up on the one and tell all the haters I'm a big deal. You're my friend, I'm a big deal. I'm a big tell you, yeah, we're kinda important. For real. Oh yeah, I'm a big deal. Believe me, my friends are some big deals. Okay, very, very, very important. So very for real. It's like you have the prime minister, and then you have way. That's at the order in a free country. Yes, that's at the status of the hierarchy. Ask anybody about it. 4.0 and the great point of rich, and we never cheat or copy forget it. You know you have your dreams and nobody can stop it. Just walk out for some blank and say I'm a big deal. Very big deal, I'm a big deal. Okay now, yeah, we're kinda important. Very for real. Oh yeah, I'm a big deal. No friends are some big deals. Let me do some make them jump up and down some jump. Get them on. Have mercy. Give me God, now I don't know it's when it come to them rod. Do them one like how Moses, do them rod. And that brush gets them man, she end up in a body bag, the bag. Dicky dicky, dicky dicky. Dicky dicky, dicky dicky.
want to say express. So, have mercy. What you gonna do? What me say? Y'all me know say, no man look you want me no in on the race. So, as a matter what you do, must have to get less. Woulda run till you run right out of the place. You know the still out thing I me take you up without stress. You want the action thing whenever take you place. Like, you want to concentrate your body with grace. Boy, you only looking for a while and remember about your man, when you decide to share more. Time to forget your life with your heart. Nose it on stone and that's not clear. Oh man, trying to have it to have you near. Oh what the fuck, I know my like you are real. Baby, no, only pull up on cheer. No man, no look you want me looking on the race. So, no matter what you do, must have to get less. Run till you run right out of the place. If you still out there, I think you will be touched. As after man, I see you through for your car. If you're in that line, you will be man of feature. As I give for me, say non-stop lecture. All I got is love. Baby, baby, take my hand, cry without intermission. Love will be captured, we will forever expand and you wine. Too good and for me, obsession. Woman, just unleash your passion. And then don't you take you for a stroll across the ocean. And I will pour out all of my emotions. Sing along, no matter look you want me, no in the race. Yeah, no matter what you do, must have to get less. Put up, run in your run right out of the place. You're still out there, let me take you where I said, no the ice cream melt when left the cake. I think you're my heart, so my life is at stake. Woman, in your run, I would love to party. A big laugh, make bed and shake. Someone I give you room, for me no room, no rainbow. Yeah, you wouldn't make such horrible mistake. Over in the kitchen, so wouldn't have to beg. Watch out the girl, your body shake. I think, sir, no matter look you up, me looking at the race. Yeah, no matter what you do, must have to get less. Run till you run right out of the race. Yeah, it's still out the night. Yeah, boy, I see it. You want the... She find out say nothing not one. She a blow like a no one is storm. But tell her be fool and calm. I sing along. Certain girl a go nice but she low. Me and me friend them don't flap the show. She ain't used like a whole under and she a big cocky show. That you feel know. Certain girl a go
she low. Me and me friend them don't black the show. She get used like a old underwear. She a big for the show. She did a program live from far. True, she see me now me run away car. But to me a road it and me just take a one slam and have the back and take her. Now she a call out me baby mother yard. All a talk like she want jackyard. My girl just say one more hang up for gonna make she feel like that.
The name was bad one. So now come and play for the ladies, them now on the field, say. I know so it go. We have to about the ladies. We could just play some beautiful songs. I know so when we go home. For most people from Fort Lauderdale, the journey far. 1 hour and 10 minutes. If we don't play the right song, we don't be lucky. And the way home. Because if you leave here with a stiff situation, and the 27 you may end up with a sticky situation. So play some songs in the ladies there. Right? Say do it. What is the sound of the song here? Yard vibes. Come in.
Hey, if I ever you're the engineer, me just broke your hand a while ago. You see, when you see me, I'm gonna play a song. Sure. Hey, if I never you're the engineer, me broke your hand a while ago. Yo, give me pizza 2 before then. Anybody else try that? Murder.
That's shit, go.
I did a good time.
Voila. My best way. I need more. I need more. Don't ask me. Make your vibes track a little bit, people.
It's all trying to grow.
I wanna be one who you believe in your heart. Whole lot trying to change what you feel from what's been. You may put your whole life into it, nothing what you thought it could have been. Almost when you change and you don't feel as good as you used to before. And everything you used to say, everything you used to do, be right out the door. Ooh, no more will you be the one. That's what you tell everyone around you, but you know they heard it all before. What more can you say? When love won't let you walk away and it can't help who it loves, and you find yourself giving it all away. Each time with love.
Is it a building there? That's the way it is. Yeah. You know the intensity up here over there. You never know. We don't go out around there and see.
Watch the seal of the market, don't watch the crowd. Play about the tune and look over there, so. Go on.
One Lexus, look up yourself, let me see Lex. And the country sound checking. Big up yourself, the general. Everything good. Sure. What the ladies? Represent Fort Myers. North Charlotte and Southwest Florida. Tell them bam, tell them bam, tell them bam. Chicken the jerky. People are sound and have yard vibes. If you never know, you know now. Come down. Yes, so one more, then we turn the beat around. Them say Jamaica have the highest jacket rating of the lifetime of the universe. Eh?
Do a jacket, make it.
Don't play the song yet. Don't play the song
You
yet.
never on YouTube I said that.
You don't hear the speech.
On YouTube you never say that.
A while ago, I said them say Jamaica have the highest jacket rating of the universe. Mama say 2 jackets she give. Then if woman know wicked, then what? But they still is the best at doing so.
Famous now, right?
Alright, all the lady I know, she give the man 2 jackets, you know. Watch her style and what she do now. She don't make the man file for the penny them, you know. Because she don't want the DNA go get reveal and she go see up on Murray show and them something there. You understand? But to see a real man like we, you know, when she come with a jacket something there, you know where I go on? A man don't know, so you not take no jacket, but the other in general, everything alright. She doesn't want me, alright. She's got something to hide. Go! I think she wants DJ Fanta on the wheels of steel. But I can tell you the experience to be for a stroll. To experience someone to back and roll. To experience to be taking for a ride. Yeah, I know it's not my fault. Right about now, I'm gonna turn the beat around. Let's go. She is the side of me. Turn the beat around. Pick up the people that come out for have a good time. Father's Day at the park, it's a picnic setting. Juggling. Be careful, yo. Be careful. Jacket I give you free. Be careful. Hey. She there. And them a bashman. Hey. Come down. with style. She hard up a American over white car. She say make sure when you're in love you're not fall. Mix me DJ, mix. Look there. They got the pop on us. Excess amount. Right, mama, you look like you could have get an extra jacket. I mean, you look like you're tired for me. They have me visit to me. Trouble! In the park! I go on in the park, you know! Hey! I'm a big thing now. My name is Ricky Fl, represent Yard Vibe Sound. DJ Plum, big up. DJ Panther, big up. Father Ashley, big up. Fuck that girl there. Remember the butterfly, baby. A butterfly, a butterfly, a butterfly. So you got the butterfly, the butterfly, butterfly. Remember the bogle dance now, bogle. Hey, bogle, 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 bogle. Hey, time shot, but the vibe's right. Yard vibe, yard vibe, yard vibe, yard vibe. Things are going, you are going like that. Tell no lie, you pull a man control sexy body. Things are going, you are going, so no paper ball it up, paper and ball, baby. Things are going, you are going, me not tell no lie, you pull a man control sexy body, girl. Things are going, you are going, so no paper ball. Hold on, the one more to go, 100. Cause any man where you hear about it, he must be come back again, depending on the belief. Enough money he must spend, cause your body good, you are correct. You have the remedy with the doctor recommend. You go Miami, come go spend weekend and let's wipe it. Him now and there again, that mean you better than them. Hold up your hand, you not no problem. Cause think that when you are good, we not tell no lie. You put a man and put the money girl. Think that when you are good, we not get the money. Certain man can't tell them baby mother happy Mother's Day. You know why? You know why? Someone up in number 2. What you say? Pull up that.
I ain't that I ain't that
Lexus. Hey, woman, them my top shelf for the day, you know. Cheers to all mothers. Hey, put up on the cup and say cheers to all mothers. What you mean? Heart of love.
Yeah. Yo! Mothers, big up on yourself. Clewiston Fl, Shang Music Specialist. If you're not in the building, come check the MC right here, sir. Shabba Rankin, Farmer Manager. I want to see you right now. Come check the MC right now. Shang Music, Clewiston Specialist. Come check me right now. That is it. Right now, we don't talk all the thing, you know. The number to call is 954-579-8377 if you're in a JA. That's majesty song. Big up father, son. Yeah, son, and that's how we heal it, we heal it like this. You see that box there? We are playing as son production there, you know what I say? So right now, let me hear how them peak and bark. Specialist, come take me right now.
You know? Big up all the mothers them inside the building, see? And big up all the soon-to-be mothers. Big up all the ladies them inside the building, see? I love the woman them.
I know say time, son. So I give you a little bit of everything. Rapid fire. Remember that one, yeah?
Your lights down low. Your wind it's been a long time for you, but it seems I was never on time.
See where we coming from, man? You know what?
I want to give you some good.
This is Shot River. For the ladies. For the ladies. Easy magnet force.
When you look like your front can't be a fool, so don't worry about the long. Just out to your place attention. See me not.
That's the right, you know. Anybody from Brooklyn, New York in the building? Yo! We are turning it up, you know. Where the Flatbush people them there? Bushwick, East New York, Brownsville. This is the notorious one. Why the baseline I give us our air condition around here? They say the wind and blow up on the box of my line. I tell my reports.
First things first, I pop on freaks, all the honeys, dummies, playboy bunnies, those wanting money. Those ones I like cause they don't get Nathan but penetration. Unless it smells like sanitation.
This right, you know, this is the best hip-hop artist ever lived. I'm gonna play the biggest R&B singer ever lived. This is Michael Jackson. I think this is Black Michael, not the bleach out Michael. This is the next one. This is the next one for the ladies. Straight up. The next New York artist, SWV. Them there, they didn't body that they did.
Baseline. Baseline.
Yo!
Okay, the baseline.
Big up all the ladies looking beautiful today. Big up all the mothers. walking around them.
South Beach, Clewiston ladies, Belgrade. And I won't forget. And I really love you. You should know.
I got someone play clean, man.
I wanna make sure I'm right, girl, before I let go.
Sound. You're there, my brother.
When that sound clean, man, as New Yorkers would have said, clean like the board of health. The videography, give the secrets in there. Pick up my brother Sal. In there, tell me for the brother. Hot stepper. Pick up in there. Some real quick. Come to like tell them. second. I see right now we are playing right now to the road.
Yeah.
So let go.
Right, that's right. I'm a coach. I'm a coach in English. Dean. Dean, you know Dean. I'm a cousin here. Them used to work together, you know. Dolly. You know Dolly? Last. Them used to work together at Eagle. Dolly from Mobile. Dolly from yeah, man.
Don't be a sick. Don't be a sick.
You know what I want?
No, my dad.
You know your dad? Okay, I was yourself.
That's my friend Dawn.
Say hi to the camera, Dawn.
5 minutes just wait.
And when you're with me, I feel so safe and secure. I need you like never before. I give you all my attention, woman. I need you like never before. Right now. My name to the next song. Any woman don't like that song, don't like themselves. We got all the beautiful ladies, so remember me.
Yeah.
No, I never been someone shy until I see natural beauty. Yo, majesty. No, I never been someone shy until I see you right. Still I had to try. Yeah. Oh, yes. Let me get my hands right in a pouch. And I treat you like a man is supposed.
Big up the Pure Vibes family. Labor right sound. Now see the green over the sun.
Everyone can relate when they find a special someone. One girl in my life. Let me love. Let me give you some love and affection. You got my attention. You need no direction. Things in your direction.
Think about the ganja lady. The ganja mother.
Impression. So you looking for me in a reggae party in the morning time.
juggling machine from back in the 91. You remember sequence when we do the Pugway Road? Pick up your dancer. Easy Father Lexus. Pull up the song one more time. Father does request it so happy. Give me some. Tika. Many of you may not know the history about this area, but Jamaicans are coming up with decades apart the sugar cane. You know what else we are planting around here, so let up the song. Lord of mercy. You know what else we are planting around here? Hear me. Take yourself and bring yourself in a one. Make sure you hear me. Lord of mercy. Hey, Lord of His mercy. Lord of His mucho. Driver. Don't stop at all. From this orange one around the album hall. Driver. Don't even eat. Collect a little food there and come back quick. Driver. Don't remember the damn speed limit. Cause if you're running the fence, my friend, that is it. I've got an external phone and a singular chip. Any problem you can reach me on this. I pounds them I buy when I'm done for the ship. Green like grass, brown like chocolate. Felix and you be the same except front trip. I'm the line David and right on this you can. I used to write you know. You see a lady a while ago, she gave a man 2 jackets. I bet you say one old boy sleep that thing. I know the old boy them food. So big up the ladies who like the old boy them. So they want us.
You want an elderly man. I don't run on still.
No,
I'm thinking about the dollar bill. Come on.
I'm in love with the man.
See the jacket girl there? And them song there you probably play and give the man jacket. And lie me I tell you. Where the done dog on there? This is Majesty song. The year-to-year song. Crown champion. World champion. All who say ninja man for free. One bad to a DJ to the next one.
Now this one dedicated to all the boys that watch out.
This remember.
I'm just giving to the girl that wanna hold that one up.
One more to go.
So me say yeah because it's dangerous. Me say put up italic and italic and italic. Me say put up italic, it's a rap of the market. Me say put up italic, it's the latest lyric. Me say put up italic, take up the mic and flip it lyric. Me say if you think I lie, you was a whole lot.
Let me say one more song to go.
I'm in a talk and mess. Rap up and me say cat and me a give me say na this.
Let me say one to go.
So me no rap.
Let me say we have a little bit of irony. We get next one for the final one.
So you know me say me know me a rich. I come from me use me want me satellite dish. Me say put up italic and italic and italic. Me say put up italic.
Big up the cruise and ladies.
Put up it.
Where the Trinidad ladies save them.
And the coach say passenger should come juggle in.
Where the Guyanese ladies save them out. Final one. Yes, my girl. Party. It's Mother's Day. Do anything you don't feel like. One more. Said they want to play our next song, Alexa. Sorry, but that them say something to me. Yo!
Just come to me and give me that sweet type of love. Sweet type of love. Sweet type of love. Real type of love. Oh, the darling. Oh, I need Charlie.
Final one. Final one. The sweetest melody. Come like them there at Jamaica Carnival same way. Not done about 2 weeks ago, son. Shoes, dance, you know. Watch the gangster dance round there. Yes, I am.
sound. Now vote me and roll this again. Mash up the thing.
Time. Wanna sip of majesty sound? Give me a round of applause. Give me a go on good. But right now, you know what's there. I love the energy. I mean, like how
broken-hearted sound boy, darling in the dance hall. A disappointed sound boy who has no double plate side.